Namaste. We are here at Swar Yatra. Swar Yatra is an organization and orchestra developed by the Indian community living in Lagos, Nigeria. And we are here with Osmek TV Africa today. Good evening, Namaste.
Namaste.
Can I please know your name?
Mahesh Dimje.
Rohit.
Sagar. Sanjay Jain.
Renu Jain.
My name is Meenu Kaul Bendre.
Mr. Guddu Singh.
My name is Shivendra Garg.
Hi, I am Siddharth Sakorkar.
Sakshi. Ajita.
Abhishek. Dharmendra Bunga.
My name is Atul.
Rajshri. Meena.
Krishna.
Rasika.
Shalendra.
Yeah, myself Jayashri.
Shivaji Jadhav.
My name is Vinod Singh.
Yes, my name is Ananya Vakmare.
Kolkata.
Kolkata, West Bengal.
Vijaya Singh. My name is Anubha Rastogi. Vidya Patil.
My name is Vinod Vaswani.
Monish Verma.
Akansha Verma.
Yeah, my name is David.
My name is Chetan Chauhan. I represent Nisali Industries. We are one of the sponsors.
Prajwal. Balaji.
Najaf Zaidi.
My name is Pungumaran Kuppasamy. I study in Indian Language School, Nigeria.
My name is Kavini Kuppasamy. I studied also in IRS.
Yeah, myself Deepak Kumar.
Myself is Mahip Singh.
I am Geetika Tandon.
Kiran Pujar.
Okay, where are you from in India?
Nagpur.
Same.
We are from Rajasthan, Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
I'm from Haryana, Ambala.
I'm from Srinagar.
Andhra Pradesh. Delhi.
I am from Mumbai, Thane.
UP, Gorakhpur.
I'm from Gurgaon, Delhi.
I'm from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Bihar.
I'm Gurgaon too.
We are from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Pune.
Pune.
From Mumbai.
Mumbai, both.
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. I'm from Mumbai. From Karnataka.
I am from Delhi.
From Delhi.
Same place. Delhi.
Karnataka, Bangalore.
Delhi. Uttar Pradesh.
I am from Delhi. I am from the Lucknow.
I am from Bhopal. I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Maharashtra.
How do you know Swar Yatra? Have you been coming here every year?
All the events since inception.
Yeah, of course. I think, one of those person who has attended all the Swarayatra functions right from when it started. Yeah.
Yeah, same here.
I have a friend of mine and he mentioned, I just came to know last week. So he said there are some local talent which is available and they are participating, so we should come here.
This is my second time, but I don't exactly remember. Last time we had came, I don't remember, but that time I was very small. So I think I'll have a memorable journey this time.
No, this is our first time. We got to know from Maharashtra Mandal. My husband is the drummer with Swar Yatra. Yeah.
Do you visit it every year?
Yes, every year.
Yeah, we saw advertisements.
When we booked these tickets.
So is this your first year over here?
Yeah, first time.
No, this is the first time.
Sudhir has been a friend since long. I know him since long. This is the first group apparently which I saw when I came to Lagos for the first time in 2014. Before that I was in Abuja, so I didn't know much. I didn't knew much about Swar Yatra then, but now I know Mr. Sudhir well, so that's how we are connected with Swar Yatra.
No, just we have notified Karma outside so that we would like to participate. That's why we came here.
We are coming first time actually because I know some of the people. In fact, I'm coming attending this program first time, but I wanted to see how it is actually. Because some of our friends which were used to participate in the earlier programs, they are performing here. So I wanted to see how they are performing here now.
No, actually we are here for Swar Yatra first time basically. So we'd like to see how it goes today. And but we know all of them. I have seen their performances on phone before. So I know they're on the show always.
Yeah, first time.
No, I am a member of ICA and I get and basically when I came to know this this is a culture program for promoting the new talent. So that excited me to come to this place. You know, if you will not promote the new talent, how the talent will be known to everybody? So you should take the initiative so that they should prosper.
No, this is my first year attending. I just came to know with the friends. So I'm just here because it's more of Bollywood this time, and so I was just excited to attend it due to Diwali also.
First year of attending this program? Yes, I was not aware that it's been there before.
Every year from the last 8 years, whenever it has been held.
Actually, it's my first time. So I just came with my friends to enjoy the event.
I know it from a long time, honestly.
Yeah, I've known them for a while.
It's my first time.
I'm coming second time.
My first time here.
Oh yes, I have been with Surya Yatra since the inception, and I don't think I've missed any event of theirs. If I am in Lagos, I've always attended.
Which kind of festivals do you like?
Diwali.
Haryana is popular for all sort of festivals. There is no specific festival, but Diwali is most, and Holi is the most prominent.
Diwali.
All the festivals are good. Diwali is always good. Holi is always good, full of colors. And other smaller festivals, from many other states are very colorful, like Ganpati Bappa Moria, like Garba, like Tej Tyohar from Rajasthan. We love to celebrate all the Tyohars, all the festivals, and definitely it allows to interact with other community people.
My favorite festival, I think Diwali.
Yeah, of course, Diwali. This is Durga Puja. Yes. Bengals.
Yes, very much.
Which is your favorite festival?
Well, we obviously it's Diwali, and we also celebrate Holi and few other festivals. Yeah.
All festivals are worth celebrating, but something like Holi, I like. Yeah.
Diwali, Holi.
Diwali.
Can you please elaborate on the festivals? Why do you like them?
Diwali is the lighting festival, and Holi is a colorful festival. So both of them we are like us.
Do you like Bollywood music?
Yeah. Of course. We're from India, so obviously.
What genre of music do you like?
Which?
Genre of music. Which kind of music do you like?
Yes, it's a love songs. It's the same. We are same age.
Oh, fair enough. So which one do you like more, Diwali or Holi?
I prefer Diwali more.
Indian festival, Diwali, Holi.
Diwali, of course, it's the festival of lights and one of the main Indian festivals. And here also in Lagos, we celebrate it in a very nice way. All these festive events like Surya Yatra and all.
Pongal, Sankranti, Chhath Puja.
Can you please elaborate on it?
So this is Sankranti, which is called as a festival of harvesting, and they celebrate with a new crop. There is no gardens, there is nothing. So everybody will celebrate their new crops harvesting, and they will festival it.
Everybody gets a chance and opportunity to celebrate together, all our Indian friends and colleagues, especially when you're out of the country. It becomes a little more easier to gel up, to connect with a lot of people here. So that's how, that's one of the best seasons.
Okay. Chhath Puja is have the very big festival in the Bihar, because maximum people is celebration 1 year one time. So any country, suppose like India, otherwise out of country, so everybody join the festival and enjoy the festival.
Yeah, definitely, sure.
Which is your favorite festival?
Of course, Diwali.
Diwali, definitely.
Can you please elaborate why you like Diwali?
The best festival ever in India, linking to Lord Shri Ram.
Because it is like, there is plenty of light, and, we can interact with a variety of, people, the relatives and the friends, and we can share sweet and lot much snacks and lot much fun.
Definitely, yes. When we celebrate festivals here in foreign country, and then to our children, we want to inculcate habits or the sanskar in them, that these are the festivals which Indian people celebrate back in our home country. So when we celebrate, that also is the big purpose behind celebrating the festivals. And above all, it brings lot of happiness and joy. So definitely everybody would like to celebrate festivals here in Lagos, Nigeria. So we also...
Durga Puja is a 4 days festival. First means Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, and last day the Mother Durga emerged. This is called Dashami. Yes, after and that day we play the Sindoor
First we offer to Ma, and after that we play.
Favorite is Diwali. Diwali and Holi. Diwali and Holi both. Yeah.
Diwali, Christmas, everything honestly.
Holi, mostly.
Yeah, I mean, I would say Holi is my favorite festival.
Well, we have a spring festival. Then we like have other festivals like in the other parts of the country. Mahashivratri is one of the biggest festivals, and because we have a mixed population, like so Eid is also celebrated with great fervor.
Bollywood music.
What is your which kind of Bollywood music do you prefer?
All type of Bollywood. Any.
Do you enjoy music?
I enjoy a lot. I enjoy a lot of music. All the festivals of Indians, Diwali, Dashera, Ganpati, all the festivals.
Well, I like Diwali the most because here in Nigeria, we've been here for long, and a lot of Nigerians, they are aware of this festival, and they equally celebrate with us. And it's a very auspicious festival, so we celebrate here. Holi and other ones we don't much celebrate here, but majorly Diwali. Yeah.
You have fun in that, you have food, right? That's the main thing.
Because it's mostly fun, you can mess around, and especially family get together. So
Yeah, Holi is a time where all your friends can gather around and have a blast together.
Do you like Bollywood music?
Very much.
Yes, I love Bollywood music.
Yes, not everything, but some of them which are good music, I like it. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
We come here every day because we are fans of Swaryatra.
It's not Bollywood. Pushpa, Jhuke Ke Nahi.
Music or movie?
Any kind of Bollywood music, have you ever heard?
Yes, I listen to Bollywood music. I also watch their movies sometimes. Yeah.
Yes, of course we like. That's the reason we sponsor, and we have been sponsoring from last 3 years continuously. So it's a great event. Day by day it's coming up. We are very happy.
Oh, I love Bollywood music. I thrive on it. So I like, mostly I like numbers from 60s to 80s. The current numbers are good too, but they are like a flash in the pan.
Very much.
Very good. Very nice.
Very much.
Bollywood, everything in like.
Everything. No, we are Indians. We like all kind of music.
Yeah, sure, very much. The old one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course I do.
Yeah, definitely.
What genre do you like?
Retro and 80s, 90s.
Don't feel bad.
No.
Our generation, even before, maybe 70s, 60s, I love those songs.
So you like your generation music more than
Of
ours?
course, because I hear that most. So that's my first choice.
80s, 90s, and new ones are also good. Some of them.
Not really any kind of music, but whatever whatever is soothing for my ears. That
all music, we prefer all the music. Music is such a thing, it doesn't have any boundaries. So we love to hear music. And Swaryatra event, we are coming from the day of inception. So we look forward for a very great event.
I like music. Yeah.
Which kind of music do you like?
I like folk songs.
Which kind of music do you like?
I also like rock songs.
I think I like soft music, like more like love songs.
From our generation, 90s.
90s. Govinda.
We like both generations.
Both. They both have their own beauty.
I like basically recent songs, basically Gurarjit Singh. Yeah.
Of course, very much. Everybody enjoys it, right?
Basically, I have this romantic song of 90s.
Bollywood romantic.
We all are a fan of Pushpa.
Yes, Pushpa is from Tollywood movie. Bahubali, Triple R, RRR. These are all from Tollywood. I am belongs to Tollywood.
Yeah, I think this is also quite good. Of course, old is old, but still new music is still better. I like it.
All, right from old traditional classical to the current genre also.
See, I prefer peppy numbers.
My genre will be I like jazz. I like jazz, yeah.
I like melodious songs.
For me, I like action and comedy.
Movies.
Okay. Now, which kind of music? Like, do you like soothing music or like dance music that wakes you up?
Depends on the mood and the event and all that. Yeah.
We all-time favorite is old songs. We listen old songs,
old songs,
normally.
So you like your generation music more than the present generation music?
No, not like that. Yes, we do
enjoy
like
all kind of,
Gen X also, and also yeah.
See, I am young, so I like party songs. But of course, the melodies and all other things are interesting in Bollywood. Yeah.
No, my generation. My mommy, papa, both are singers.
I would prefer from my generation simply because the lyrics were very soulful. For me, lyrics matter a lot, and the music is, of course, once it's roped in the music, it comes in. It's a different story altogether. Yeah.
Actually, I'm very adaptable. To any of the ages, I can gel with it.
I mean, melodious song.
Melodious.
And we enjoy a lot because we don't sing, but we enjoy. Every Sunday, Saturday, we keep on singing the Bollywood songs.
Like I like Sufi songs, I like romantic songs. Arjit Singh is my favorite.
Of course, our generation and some songs are like maybe say 20-30 years ago, they are also very good.
Classical. Hard rock.
More of the 2019 era.
I enjoy both. When I am alone, I want to listen my generation music, but in a party, in a group, I listen to current generation.
See, I am also your generation only, but yeah, it's good. It's a good question. Both the generations have different kind of, I would say, the music. The music is same, but now the new songs, the wordings of those songs, I have some reservation on that one. The earlier song used to have some meaning. Today, all the songs just for the dance.
I like the past one better, honestly. I would say both are nice, honestly.
I'd go with the past one as well.
It depends. It depends on environment. Which type of it depends on person to person. Like let's suppose if we are from same generation, but it doesn't mean that he also like the same music which I like, right? So it depends on person to person, his nature, his environment, his background, so many things. Yes. Let's suppose if I belongs to someone like who belongs to Mahatma or something, so they normally like devotee music or Bhagwan ke gaane is type ke, right?
Yes, I would say that. They are the ones that we remember. Even the current generation, when you see them when they play Antakshari, they always sing the old songs, not the new ones. Yeah.
Very much. I enjoy.
Which is your favorite genre of Bollywood music?
Old classical.
Who is your favorite artist?
Udit Narayan.
Shan, KK, Sonu Nigam.
Singer is Kishore Kumar. In female, it is Shreya Ghoshal currently.
Are you performing tonight?
Yes, I'm going to play harmonium.
Okay, that's really nice. For how long have you been playing harmonium?
I think since 5 to 6 years, since I was 6 years old. So I started playing harmonium and learning since I was 6 years old.
Oh, that's nice. We all have great expectations from you. I enjoy your night. All the very best.
Thank you.
Well, this is my first time, but I think I was expecting to see Indian culture, try to see good things, and something I've never seen before because I believe it's like I'm going into another culture, so I want to experience and enjoy.
How was the event for you? I saw you sing. Did it go well?
Yeah, very nice. Thank you very much.
Did everything go as planned?
Yes, it's very nice. We worked hard since last 3 months, and it's going well. Everybody enjoyed it.
I enjoyed singing. Thank you very much. I thank you very much for Swarayatra, and I love singing. And thank you very much for audience also. And you're looking pretty.
Thank you. Thank you so much. How was the event for you today?
Event was very good for me today. It was very melodious. It went very well. Initial little hiccup with the sound, but the moment we stabilized, it was absolutely very good.
What was the highlight for you in the event?
Highlight was some very melodious songs were there, which were good. Then I like Sudhir's song, Sara Zamana, which was good. I like the last song also, which was very fast and very, fast number. These were the highlights I found.
Did you perform tonight?
Yeah, I sang 2 songs. I am a PRO for Swarayatra, so I also sing in Swarayatra.
Okay, that's nice. Did everything go as planned?
Yes, everything went as per plan. Time was perfect, timing was perfect, everything except slight hitch with the sound in the initial that happened. After that, everything was fine. We had an audience we had put around 700 chairs. At the point when I was watching from the stage, I found all 700 full. So there's at least 700 plus people in a function like today.
It was an amazing function, sir.
Thank you so much.
Did you enjoy the event?
Yes, it was a very nice event.
What was the highlight for you in the event?
Highlight was the music, the Indian music, which is very popular all over the world.
What is something that you would like them to improve in?
It's, I think it's the orchestra, the what do you call instruments. They are frequently getting failed, so those need to be improved.
I hope you had a great evening.
Yes, we love the evening.
Thank you so much. How was the event?
Yeah, it was excellent. I enjoyed a lot.
Yeah. What was the main highlight of the event?
Like all the songs were very good. Selection of songs was very good, and they have practiced well. So all 4 years I am coming, and it's really they are improving a lot.
Do you think there's something that you want to tell them that they can improve in?
No, nothing.
How was the event for you? Did everything go as planned?
Yes, everything did go as planned, and it was very enjoyable, and it was very fun also. A lot of fun while dancing, while singing. Ab kharab ho gaya gala, bas.
I saw you perform. It was an amazing event. And what was the highlight for you in the event?
My song with my sister, which has escaped eating Mastani there. And yeah, that Jamal Kudu song really blasted off, and also Sara Zamana.
Yeah, it was an amazing event. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. How was the event? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, sure. Especially the back end, the rehearsals that built up to what we did today. Yeah.
So now you were playing the instrument, right? So did you enjoy Bollywood music?
Of course. I think I've listened to it as a kid, right? Via my mom. She used to be, very, very much into Indian movies, and from there, Mad, Kote Shike, Sholay, all those old movies. So I've always been paying attention since then. Yeah.
Which was one of the highlights for you from the show?
When the little kids came up stage, that's one. Then when the audience say once more. Now when what's that song? Zara Zamana.
Yeah.
When he put on the jacket with the lights. We didn't practice that. I didn't know that. I just saw it, so it was a shock to me as well. So yeah, I think those are a few highlights that I remember. And of course the opening song, Satyam Shiva. Perfect.
How was the event?
It was very happening. We really enjoyed it. I'm from Garso, so it was very happening event.
Did you enjoy a lot? What was the highlight for you in the event?
I think all the songs were very, very outstanding. We love it.
Is there anything you would like them to improve on or something?
No, it's the best. We enjoy it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
This program, it was very nice. Comparatively, all the program was before done. This is the best.
What was the highlight for you in the program?
The program was highlight. I can't say what is the highlight. I feel that from the beginning it is good. Only some sound problem was happened, but it is solved.
So what do you want them to improve in the sound quality?
That's all. All other else are very good.
Okay.
Fantastic.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Enjoyed very well. Everybody enjoyed, not only me. All the people are enjoyed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good night. How was the event? Did you enjoy?
Really awesome event. Like we never expected that. Okay, this is going to be so much better, but really it's like out of expectation. Classical, instrumental, everything was awesome.
What was the main highlight for you in the event?
the youngest boy who has played multiple instruments, saxophone, flute, and so many other things. That was the awesome thing.
Is there anything that you would like to tell them to improve on or anything?
No, I don't think so. Like they should involve more people, and I know it's going to get better and better.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed.
Absolutely.